Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're all having a great day. It's a beautiful Monday today. I decided to come out for a quick little rip around the town because we have a long weekend and I had the opportunity for it, so why not? As usual, we're going to the gas station, get some gas, and then we're going to get on with the video. I have my action cam here recording. It seems like it's steaming up for some reason, which isn't really that good. But apparently it's, I don't know why it's steaming up, but hopefully it gets some good footage that I could use for reels. This changed a few days ago. I keep using these back roads at the start of my rides, so I get the bike warmed up. There's a Tesla like tailgating me, man. What you want? Hey, bro, back up a bit, yo. So I'm just getting back into the groove of doing motovlogs since it's been a couple of weeks out. I just had to deal with a minor medical emergency. That's been dealt with. Everything's good now. Yeah. So thank you all again. I know I said this in my previous video as well, but thank you all again for being patient with me. And the motovlogs are coming back on the channel, man. It's going to be a good next few months. It's good weather. It's going to be enjoying the sun and just enjoying the rides, man. Hopefully I do more longer rides than just around town. That is my goal by the end of the summer. I want to go on like 100-kilometer one-way trips, then 100 kilometers back, or more than that, to be honest. The guy behind me is really close, like holy shit. Yeah, so I had to deal with a minor medical emergency. It's been dealt with. I just have to exercise a bit more to improve on my health, take care of myself a bit more, you know. And so for now, I'm just going quickly around the airport, you know, where we took a picture of the fighter jet. Where we took a picture of the jet, of the Gate Guardian. Gonna go there and go quickly do a loop around the university and then back home, I guess, or grab some gas on the way back home, maybe a Monster or two. Man, I was up till like 2 a.m. in the morning editing the previous motovlog, so I'm really depleted right now of energy, and I could really use a Monster or a Rockstar or any sort of caffeinated drink, but I'm supposed to cut off caffeine for the next little bit, so I found some other way to stay awake today. A couple of years now since I've started this motovlog. Since I've started my YouTube channel, and really this past year and a half I've seen the most growth, and I really appreciate all of you for sticking around and helping me with that. So this year I plan on like pushing out more content, do as much as I can, so I can reach the 1K sub mark this year. I feel that is definitely possible. So if you guys are enjoying these motovlogs so far, please do hit the like button and subscribe and share my videos with anyone else you know who might be interested in them, and comment down below if there's any sort of video that you would like to see me do. Holy shit, that was unsafe, man. And just comment down below if there's any other type of video that you would like to see me do, and I will for sure do them if I'm able to, if it is something that I could do myself. So yeah. Just go for a quick little rip and just enjoy this, man. Hell yeah. It's a nice day. You can see all the mountain ranges everywhere, like all around us in the valley. It's absolutely beautiful, man. I feel like going on a road trip closer to them would be amazing. The scenery and everything would be amazing. one day we'll be able to do that. So I don't really have any updates on life, on my personal life either. Just doing the same thing, working out. I'm still on the job search to try and land a software engineer role. I'm working on that. I have a few leads. One of them told me to study up on C# for a bit more, then call them back and we'll do an exam, a skills test or an exam, and if I pass that, then they'll hire me on as a junior engineer, which is amazing. So I'm really putting my head down into the books and studying, because the last few months, because I graduated about 5 or 6 months ago, so I haven't really been up to date I haven't been consistent on studying code and solving problems through code. So I really need to brush up on my skills. Besides that, I've been working on my health, improving my health, working out, getting fit. I've lost about another 10 pounds in the past month, which is amazing. I'm slowly getting back to the physique that I had before the pandemic. During the pandemic, I was the heaviest I've ever been, and it really played a big toll on my mental health. But over the past few years, I've been working out consistently, keeping track on my diet, and I've been slowly chipping away at that weight and that body fat. So I think in like the next 5 or 6 months, if I stick to my diet, stick to my workout plan, I'll be in the best shape of my life again. So that's been motivating me. Working towards an engineering role has been a huge motivation, because the career switch will also come with a huge pay increase, which will help me pay off debts and go towards the lifestyle that I want to achieve. I'll be able to finally again afford to purchase a car and maintain it and build it. That's a huge thing for me too right now. But yeah, so I'm working towards that right now. Also, update on the upload schedule. I'm going to be doing 2 motovlogs a week and maybe 1 or 2 shorts. I'm not going to post more than 1 or 2 shorts a week, just so I can work on my health. But I'm going to make sure that the actual content I post is better quality, more engaging, and just overall improve on it, you know. That's my little bit for this vlog, man. So I guess this vlog was a little bit of just enjoying a small ride, just enjoying the scenery, getting out in the morning and just enjoying the day, give you guys a little bit update on where I've been, what I'm at, and yeah. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button and liking the video down below. Share it with all your buddies, your friends who may be interested in motorcycle content or car content. I think I'm going to start working on the E46 in about a month. I want to try and get that running. If not, I'll probably buy another one and use this one as a parts car for the next E46. If I go the E46 route, if not, I might pick up a pickup truck. But I guess you have to see in the future. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this video until the end, and I'll catch you all on the next one. See ya.